Hi everyone and welcome to the channel Travel Adventure. What we're doing today, we're at Betty's Tea Rooms, so I thought we'd do a review of Betty's Tea. Those of you that do know, I am a lover of tea. However, loose leaf tea is quite new to me. One thing you do get here at Betty's is there's quite a lot of pomp and ceremony. You know, people here at Betty's, they're all dressed up. They bring your tea, your milk on, you know, a proper tray, nice silverish apparel. But I thought I'd do a quick review of the tea and a meal while we're here in Harrogate at Betty's. So Betty's was founded in 1919 and Harrogate was the first Betty's Tea Room to have been developed. There's now, you know, it's spread to other places such as York and Ilkley as well. So here we are at Betty's in Harrogate and I'll let you know how we get on. So the main has just arrived and I'm having haddock chips and mushy peas. So in conclusion, when I come to Betty's, is Betty's worth the money? I think it depends. If you want to come to Betty's and you're not going to you know, just have a normal black tea, then I think it's well worth it. What you get here at Betty's is the heritage, you know, of over 100 years of tea making, and it's also like a piece of live theatre. There's a real romance about the place. It's very much like having high tea, you know, in the Ritz in London. So, you know, if you are here on a Saturday, you've done some shopping and you want to try some really fantastic loose leaf teas, I think it's definitely worth coming for a visit. What I've got at the moment is a nice loose leaf Darjeeling tea, and it's absolutely lovely, but it's not the type of tea that I'd normally have day to day. So I think if you want to experience new teas, want to experience a bit of theatre, want to come to a very romantic and lovely place, both for tea and for food, then I think Betty's is well worth a visit. I hope you found this review helpful. If you have, and if you do like my videos, please like and subscribe to my channel, Travel Adventurer. But for now, I'll see you later on. Take care. Go on then. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you.